what I made, y'all. Look what I made. I got this cute DIY jump skirt I did for my daughter, Lilo and Stitch vibes. I'm going to show you guys how I did everything, so keep it locked. I got you. Let's go. Best friend, best friend, best friend. What's up, Nookie Barbies? It's your girl back in the building. You already taste. So, y'all, I'm about to do a fashion outfit right fast. You know, I'm going to do fashion video like I should. My daughter want me to come out retirement. She want her to make a, a little jump skirt of Lilo and Stitch. So, you already know I'm a DIY at heart. So, I had to go ahead and finesse her one right fast. So, I decided to do some footage to show with y'all my version of how I do this jump skirt. Now, remind you, I ain't no pro. I ain't go to school for sewing. I'm self-taught. I did everything on my own. So, like I say, if you want to watch this video, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button for more vlogs like this. I'm going to try to start doing more DIY fashion. I'm going to try. I say, you know, it ain't easy because, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to try. Y'all, I ain't gonna even lie. Fabric is not cheap. Especially nowadays, it's too much money for me to go ahead and keep buying fabric. But I will be like going to Goodwill, get some reused stuff, and put it to work. You already, because I like fashion. I like design. That's my department, y'all. That's my heart. These jeans right here costing me $1, y'all. When I tell you, I got it from the thrift shop in my local area, and I was out for the pay no $20 for no pair of jeans to cut up. So, yeah, go to thrift shop for them jeans, y'all. Don't be too cute for it. And we're gonna go ahead and cut it up. So we're gonna make it a skirt, y'all. Yes, a skirt. This like my version, like, well, not my version. I didn't discover this version, but when I say my version, mean the way I'm gonna do it in my video. You could do skirts a different ways, but this how I'm gonna make mine. So we're gonna make a V and cut it up just like that. It's like an upside down V, right? You guys see it? And then after we cut it up, we're gonna go ahead and patch it together. But pay attention close to this side because it's the way you gotta do it. You see how I grab both of them with my thumb? Remind you guys, I'm recording with one hand and also demonstrating with the other hand, so I do apologize like that. And some clips I will not be showing you, I'll be doing it off camera. Again, another note. So you see how I went ahead and flip that that skirt just like that, y'all? You're gonna go ahead and flip it. Because remind you, we making a DIY, well, we making a jump skirt, y'all. A jump skirt. So the jump skirts, the trend like right now for little girls, and it gotta be short when you first cut it off. And then you're gonna go ahead and build it and make it some ruffles. But for now, we're going to go ahead and do it like this. So you see how my hand is going across? Yes, I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors, y'all, and cut that. Now, you can get a ruler, whatever you got to make it straight. I took me what? I got a little notebook, y'all. You already know what it is. Made it right the best way you could. That's what I went ahead and did. I drew a line going across with a permanent marker. Remind you guys, they're going to be cut off. So you're going to be able to see that at all, okay?
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll be.
Okay, guys, so my favorite part of the day, as far as what cutting this skirt. This skirt gotta have some detail. It gotta have some spunk. It gotta have its own personality. So I'm finna go ahead and use my little tie-dye that I had for like 2-3 years, y'all. Now I'm finna put it in use, okay? Now I want to try to get some colors that go with the fabric, as far as some red and some green. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip the clothes in this color. I ain't gonna really show y'all too much of how I went in here and tie-dye it because like it's self-explanatory. But I can do some videos about how to tie-dye, because I got tie-dye look good. I got a little emotion when it comes to tie-dye, you feel me? I got a video that went viral like 5 years ago on my little, go down to my little YouTube and see the video. Yeah, child, yeah, that's how that went down. So, I wanted red, but it looked pink to me, right, y'all? I don't know. I tried to do red, but it was not working. So, I'm going to still go ahead and finesse this skirt, because you already know my daughter want this skirt, so she got it. So, this for the ruffles right fast. I decided to be different. I decided to do something unique that nobody ain't really got already. You know what I'm saying? That you don't really see on people's skirts. So, instead of me dipping this whole fabric in blue, I'm going to go ahead and do like an ombre type of vibe. So, I'm going to do, one side gonna be blue, the other side gonna be blue. So like in the middle of this ruffles, it's gonna be the regular jean color. So that's what it's gonna be, y'all. And just like that, you're gonna go ahead and dip it inside the colors and let it drip, let it dry. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead let these fabric, these clothes, like I'm letting them air dry. I ain't gonna put them in the dryer. I ain't gonna wash them. I ain't gonna do none of that. I'm gonna let it drip dry. Everything is all dried up. This is how it look. I'm gonna go ahead and take some scissors, right, y'all, and cut in the middle of it, cause it's gonna be our ruffles. We need our ruffles to be ruffling. Okay, we need something that's cute, different, and unique. So I got 4 pieces of ruffles, right? So yeah, you probably look like, why she got 4 ruffles? Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I got enough fabric to go around this skirt. Next up, guys, I'm gonna take the ruffles. I'm gonna attach them all together. All 4 pieces are gonna be like lined up together, just like that. And like you can see it probably a little better right there. So that's how I went ahead and did it, because I wanted to make sure these ruffles of the skirt gonna be real long. Now I might not like use all these ruffles. It depends on the pleats or how I make it. If I make the pleats small, if I make them real big. The piece is going to give it movement, it's going to give a definition of the skirt. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute what I mean by the pleats of the ruffles and how I'm going to go ahead and make it work on this skirt, y'all. So here we go to the skirt. Here go how it look, y'all. It look like it's pink. I don't like that, but I mean, hey, what can I do about it? I mean, this is how it went down. So here go for the pleats right fast here. So you see how I got the connection right fast? I'm going to take a pin and put it in the middle to hold it down. Now, like I said, I apologize this part right here. My daughter, she called herself trying to help me out, but she kept shaking the camera, shaking. You know how kids is and whatnot. But if it's shaking, that's my daughter. That's my help I gotta get. So I take that any day, yo.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because
This could be a little bit annoying, guys, especially if you're first time trying to do it. So the easy way I find out is putting your finger right there and then taking the fabric and overlapping it over your finger and then press it down and then put your pin like that, guys, just like that. So that's the best way I can, you know what I'm saying, like show you and tell you how to do it. But I'm going to do that all the way around the stern until I get to the end. And once I get to the end, I'm going to go ahead next and then lock the fabric all together. And we're going to go ahead and start to sew this whole ruffle on this skirt, just like that, y'all. So you see how I'm doing it, for example, one more time, y'all. Take my finger, overlap that fabric, boom, hold it there, and pin it up. Pin it up. Cause so the smaller the ruffle is, the more fabric you're gonna need. Because remember, you taking some fabric and you, like, if it makes sense, like you not using one fabric but you're using the fabric at the same time. So that's why I went ahead and put like 4 type of things for the ruffles in the beginning, so I can have extra fabric to play with, and I can have some, like, I want my ruffles to be very finesse. I want it to be like, look like ruffles. I want it to be very cute. And just like that, y'all. So let's go ahead, let me continue doing the ruffles all together. Oh my god, yeah, I apologize. I thought I went ahead and recorded myself sewing down the the ruffles on the skirt, but I can't find that footage nowhere. I do apologize, y'all. So I did that already, and then I got some cut out from the fabric, Lilo and Stitch. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that on the skirt. I got some little embellishments, some rhinestones, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there too, y'all, cause the more the merrier. This is a junk skirt, y'all. So we gotta this gotta be so junky. I'm talking about to the point where no more stuff can fit on here. I got some trimming also as well from the fabric store. I bought 2 yards, which is like $1 each, so I spent $2 for that. And just like that, y'all, got my handy dandy glue gun. Okay, y'all, my glue gun come from Family Dollar, y'all. I paid $5 for this, y'all. Yeah. And I had it for my like a year. It's still good money. So like I say, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and just paste that on my skirt. And I usually use like the E6000 glue, but today I ain't got none. I didn't feel like buying none, ordering none. So I said, you know what? It's gonna be a one-time skirt only. So let me go ahead and then use what I got and work with it. And that's what I went ahead and did. But if you was to order one for me right now, and I make it for you, definitely gonna go ahead and use E6000 glue because that's the best glue to use. Because you could wash it with that, and you know what I'm saying, it lasts longer. But these outfits is mostly like for like a one time use and that's it. Got on my little handy dandy also finger protection cause that be working cause that glue be hitting your finger and it be burning. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the decoration on this skirt like so. And yeah, y'all, that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what else I'm doing. Keep it live. All right, y'all, I'm back at it again. Let y'all know what else I'm doing. So the patches is from Dollar Tree, y'all. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. And I got some trimming that I went ahead and took off from like the pants. So I feel like okay, let me go ahead and put this on top of your skirt because y'all remember y'all it gotta be real messy but like in a cute way if you get what I'm saying. Like the more design, the more movement you put on here, the better it gonna look. So I decided to go ahead and put the trimming by the pocket area, y'all, just like that. So it is color. One gonna be blue. One gonna be like pink, red, whatever color it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right here, y'all, cause I feel like okay, like you know what I'm saying, it's different.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for you rest on. Cool down some more, cool now, please. Cool down some more, cool down love. Cool down some more, cool now, please. Cool down some more, cool down love. Cool down some more, cool now, please. Cool down some more, cool down love.
Best friend, let me go ahead and tell you what happened, right? So I had one at Dollar Tree and I had started like Lilo and Stitch bag was two. So you know what, I can make one as a purse, I can keep one as like just regular. So I decided I say, well, you know I'm a creator, so I started cutting out the Lilo and Stitch. I started cutting out the stitch thing like that, y'all. And I say, you know what, I'm gonna glue it on the skirt because I want to add more like more dimension, like more type of different type of texture and stuff. So as you guys see me, I went ahead and cut it out and then here I am pasting it on this skirt. Now remember that stitch is kind of plastic, but it's not like a plastic like a type of paper bag plastic, but it's like a, you know what I'm saying. So I said, you know what, that'll be dope. So as I was putting the glue on it, it was kind of melting a little bit, But I say what the heck, it's gonna be one time use skirt. I just want to go ahead and be different, so that's what I went ahead and did, y'all. But yeah, and that's how it look, y'all. So I just went ahead and glued it there. I'm like, okay, it come out kind of cute. It look different. It's nice. I mean, I ain't feel like going by the more fabric. I wasn't about to go to a Five Below, but I know Lilo and Stitch type of anything Lilo and Stitch. I ain't got no money on that. Sometimes everybody like, good, you know what I'm trying. So yeah, I'm gonna use what I got and work with it, y'all, and call it a day. And it's kind of cute. I like it. I like how it's coming out, y'all. Different texture, different vibes, different everything. And that's about it, best friend. That's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the chains and do that on there like that. But it's very easy. I ain't record that, y'all. I apologize. But it's self-explanatory. You're gonna see at the end of the video, and I'll show you guys the picture and the finished results. But other than that, y'all, if you feeling my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, follow for more, comment down below if you got any questions, hit that like button, whether you like it or not. Either way it go, I'ma still do me. I'ma keep dropping some more fashion videos for y'all. You feel this video once again, y'all. Thank you for the love. All my new subscribers, everybody who been following me since day one, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you later. One week later. That's friends. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished result. How it look. I did the top with it as well. I did the skirt. Everything is booming. I love how it came out. I got the matching bag with it. Yeah, what I tell you, I showed out. I did my little 1 2 2 1. I'm loving it. And I ain't even McDonald's, y'all. Got a little sauce to go with it. Okay, y'all. Like, listen. I came through for my girl. Yes, I can. I deliver it. You like how I did, yeah, and like get at me. I did the bow too, y'all. I do customize too. So get at me, my email, DM me. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on all that. Y'all, listen. Okay. Yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all later.
Sometimes you love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things are not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with action. We could find a place to rest on. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down,
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel like when I'm at work non-stop. You look good for dinner when I come back. Sometimes good yeah, come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard.